8 days later, I was in Ecuador. But I learned so much on that expedition, that trusting, that belief. Like, Daddy actually wants us to chill for a minute. I believed it. I was like, what's gonna happen if I chill for a minute? Because I'm going crazy. Like, I was frazzled. I couldn't even. It was hard for me to talk to certain people. Like, I couldn't even speak to them at all. Like, I was trying not to go off on people. I was trying not to, you just hold back so much and then it just all explodes and you don't want it to explode. So you're like, okay, let me believe somebody. Let me believe somebody. Lord help me. Lord help me. Take me from my own self. Like, I am making myself like this. It's nobody but me. Like, let me do this. Like, I believe that you I believe you. I believe you.